Guangdong Zhejiang Machinery was established in 2014 and has its own factory with area of 8,000 and obtained many patents. Since its establishment, it has focused on central conveying system, central chiller plant, automatic unpacking machine, storage silos, and other auxiliary equipment for plastic industry. With wide experience in this industry, now we can supply automation solutions to customers from injection molding, extrusion, blowing, and pelletizing areas. And we have provided services and tailor-made solutions for hundreds of enterprises, empowering customers to build intelligent feeding systems and realize whole plant automation solution.